successful security and safety coverage of the Peace Rally for Transparency, Accountability, and Justice for the Iglesia ni Cristo from November 16 to 18, 2025. Medalya ng Kadakilaan is awarded to Police Colonel Salvador Salazar Destura Jr. of Manila Police District.
Okay, sir.
For the same accomplishment, similar medalya ng Kadakilaan is awarded to Police Colonel Emil Aguion Tumibay of Manila Police District.
Okay po, sir. Picture 1, 2, and 3. Sama po. Okay, last one po. Sama. Thank you.
For the same accomplishment, similar award is presented to Police Colonel Glenn Kagawan
And 3. Sama po.
Police Colonel Robert Danglin Bawan of Quezon City Police District.
Okay, sir. Picture po 1, 2, and 3. Sama po.
Operation Medalya ng Kagalingan is awarded to Police Lieutenant Carl B. Makaklay of Regional Intelligence Division.
Okay po, picture. Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
For the successful service of warrant of arrest leading to the arrest of criminal tackling most wanted person, Medalya ng Kagalingan is awarded to Police Master Sergeant Michael Aranibo of Eastern Police District.
Okay po, picture 1, 2, and
For the successful execution of the bypass operation on October 24, 2025 in Valenzuela City, Medalya ng Kagalingan is awarded to Police Staff Sergeant Marlon B. Saki of Northern Police District.
okay po.
Conduct of bypass operation on October 23, 2025 in Ermita, Manila, Medalya ng Kagalingan is awarded to Police Staff Sergeant Daniel I. Johnson of Manila Police District.
Okay po, 1, 2.
Successful arrest of a suspect in a robbery homicide incident, Medalya ng Kagalingan is awarded to Police Staff Sergeant Alejandro C. Norte of Quezon City Police District.
Okay po, 1, 2.
Execution of the bypass operation in Taguig City, Medalya ng Kagalingan is awarded to Police Corporal Marlon J. A. Mara of Southern Police District.
Okay po, picture.
Person in Quezon City, Medalya ng Kagalingan is awarded to Patrolman J.B. Aculano of Quezon City Police District. As member of the IDF family, Medalya ng Kapulis awarded to NUP Rosemary S. Barbajera of Quezon City Police District. By direction of Police Major General Abril, official Police Colonel Rodel A. Pastor, signed Police Colonel Percival Arzulica, Chief
Okay po,
Artillery.
picture